Are you tired of not being able to buy anything on credit? Millions of people are affected by having a low credit score, and this keeps them from purchasing their dream home or buying a new car. Many people want to invest their money in a better way, but they can't because of their bad credit. The good news is that there are ways to fix your credit. Don't wait any longer. Call now Mr. Credit to get back the credit score you've lost. Mr. Credit will help you clean your credit in just a few months so you can enjoy the low interest rates that you're missing and have a lifestyle you deserve. Mr. Credit is committed to providing a complete 100% satisfying customer experience. So call now, 407-608-3105, or visit our website at mrcreditorlando.com and make your appointment with the experts. And remember, we guarantee your credit repair or you get your money back.